Hey there, hydration heroes. I'm Emma from watervo.com, and we've got something fresh brewing. Coming soon to Watervo, the VoPure Ozone laundry system. That's right, our very own ozone-powered clothes cleaner, designed to revolutionize how you wash. No detergents, no harsh chemicals, just pure cold water infused with atmospheric ozone. Here's how it works. We pull oxygen from the air, turn it into ozone using a diamond electrolytic cell, then bubble it straight into your wash. Boom, nature's strongest oxidant hits your fabrics, breaking down dirt, sweat, bacteria, and odors on contact. Why you'll love it. It kills 99.9% of germs, leaves clothes softer and fresher, like they just stepped out of a thunderstorm. Perfect for delicates, gym gear, or anything dry clean only. All in cold water, slashing energy bills and plastic waste. No soap residue, no fading, just clean that actually feels alive. We're proud to bring this eco-smart tech to Watervo. Whether you're battling body odor or saving the planet, VoPure is your next upgrade. Stay tuned, launching soon. Head to watervo.com for updates. And get ready to rethink laundry. See you there.